Thank you for your purchase of Funride Wave Deluxe Swing. Built in strong high-quality material, this swing also has advanced safety features. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and to know the amazing features of it. This exciting product is assembled by using these parts. First, insert the provided 2 AA batteries on the back of the safety frame to activate bright LED lights and lively music. Next, insert the backrest into the back side of the frame and then lock it to fix it. Next, insert the rope in the safety frame and fix it in the front of the seat. It's super easy and quick, isn't it? Enjoy the fun ride or ride of happiness.